Hello everyone, good morning, and this is Parul, and today I have another short morning yoga practice for you to take care of your morning fatigue. Sometimes when we wake up, we really are so tired, we don't feel like doing much. So you can do this short yoga practice to release the tightness from your body and to make you feel active and prepare you for your day. So let's start with a little bit of breathing, stretching, and followed by some relaxation at the end. So let's start. Sit in a cross-legged position, and you can take right leg forward and left leg back. Stretch your arms up. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your arms forward like this, okay? And just take a moment to settle in here. Relax your shoulders. Take your weight back towards your hips. Relax your neck. And see if you would like to stretch your arms slightly more forward. Loosen up your neck. Go as far as your lower back is allowing you right now. Breathe. Stay here. Just let your thoughts settle in. Connecting with yourself through your breath, through any sensation you feel in your body right now. Take one deep breath. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Gently draw your arms in. Take your arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out, rest your right hand down, take your left arm over your ears. Left palm facing down, breathe. Stay here, pressing into your right fingertips, leaning to your right, opening your left side body. Stay here, relax your neck. And then on your next exhalation, just take your left arm back and just look up. Just take your left arm back as far as your shoulders allows you right now. Breathe. Don't lean too much on your right palm. Lift up, look back, your left hand. Breathe. And then you gently come forward. Take your right arm up. Breathe in. Breathe out, twist to your right. Left hand on the right knee, right arm back. Draw your right shoulder back. Pressing into your right fingertips. Lengthen through your spine. Breathe. And then you slowly come back to the center. Before we go on the other side, let's work on our right hamstring. So just take your right leg forward and lift up like this, okay? So just hold from wherever you can. Don't worry if you are not holding your toes, okay? Just wherever you can. Just focus more on the length of your right leg rather where you hold it from. Sit straight, breathe. I'm just going to show you the side view. You can watch it easily. Breathe. Stay here. And then you can explore some movement in your ankles. So just flexing and pointing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Release slowly and then we switch sides. So now take your left leg in front, right leg back. Stretch your arms up again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stretch your arms forward. Rest your hand wherever it lands easily. Okay. And then you slowly adjust yourself. Stretching your arms forward if your lower back is allowing you. Just find a nice point where you feel you're getting a good stretch. And you are breathing, you are not in pain. Relax your neck. Stay here. Take one deep breath before you come up. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Slowly draw your arms in, take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, rest your left hand down, take your right arm over your ears, right palm facing down, breathe. Opening your right side body. Keep breathing. Stay here. Then on your next exhalation, take your right arm back. Look up. Just observe the range of motion your shoulder allows you right now. Opening your chest. Breathe. Then on your next exhalation, get your right arm back. Take your left arm up. Breathe and lengthen your spine. Breathe out, twisting to your left. Right hand on the left knee. Left hand back. Draw your left shoulder back. Breathe. Slowly come back to the center. Okay. Now take your left leg out. We work on our left hamstring now. Lift up. Okay. And again, just focus on the length, the maximum length you can get right now. And don't worry if your left leg is not fully straightened. Sit straight. Breathe. Working on your hamstring. Getting your left leg closer to your body. Keep breathing. And then you can just explore some movement, flexing and pointing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Bend your left leg, rest it down, and then you bend your legs, both the legs. Okay. Arms are back, palms are facing down, fingers are pointing forward, fingers are wide open. Gently pressing into your palms, lift your heart. Relax your shoulders, breathe. And then slowly lift your hips up, stretching your arms, your shoulders. Keep breathing. And then you slowly rest your hips down. Extend your legs, coming in Dandasana. Take your arms up, breathe in, lengthen your spine. Breathe out, go forward. Okay, rest your hands wherever it lands comfortably, relax your neck. Stay here. Working on your hamstrings, your back, your spine. Feel free to bend your legs, that's fine, keep breathing. Staying with your breath. Observing everything you experience now, the sensation, the stretches, the emotions you feel now. Keep breathing. Then on your next exhalation, stretch your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, arms down. Okay, now we come on all four position. Wrist is underneath your shoulders, knees are underneath your hips. Knees are hip width apart, wrist shoulder width apart. Relax your toes. Let's take 3 rounds of cat and cow. Drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. One more, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Stay here, loosen up your neck, relax your shoulders, breathe. And then you gently get your spine to neutral position, take your knees back, gently bend your arms, lower down your chest. And gently push your legs back and come in your baby cobra. Elbows closer to your body, elbows underneath your shoulders. Gently pressing into your palms, lift your heart, relax your shoulders, breathe. Relax your neck, lift your heart. Feel free to create more space in between your legs if that's more comfortable for your lower back. Just observe and breathe. Then you lower down your chest, okay? And just rest your forehead on your palms. Your palms are facing down. Crocodile pose. Makarasana. Stay here. Just relaxing the back of your body, your shoulders, your lower back, your legs, your feet. Just let go. Breathe. Just gently looking to your left now. Spend some time here focusing on your breath. And then you gently turn to the right, just looking in the right direction. Inviting the sense of relaxation in your whole body. Then you slowly come to the center. Take your palms underneath your shoulders. Press into your palms. Lift up. Another variation of Cobra pose. Breathe. Relax your shoulders. Breathe. And then from here, come in child pose. So just joining your big toes together. Opening your knees wide. Just stretch your arms forward. Lower down your forehead. See how close you can go to the mat. Just don't force anything. Just allow the natural movement of your body. Taking your hips back towards your heels. Breathe. Stay here. On your next exhalation, slowly draw your arms in, take your palms in, and from here we are going to lie down and do bridge pose. Just lie down, let your legs be bent, lower down your body, let your upper back be relaxed, feet flat on the mat, arms by the side of your body, palms are facing down. Pressing into your feet, pressing into your palms, lift your hips up, getting in bridge pose. Stay here. Chest to the chin, chin to the sky. Keep breathing, keep pressing into your feet. One more breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Lower down your hips. Now hug your right leg in, let your left leg be extended on the mat. Breathe. And then on your next exhalation, draw your left leg in, rest your right heel on top of your left knee. Lift your left foot off the mat, hug your left knee in. Flex your toes for your right foot. Breathe. And then you slowly release, switch side, hug your left leg in, extend your right leg on the mat, breathe. Keep hugging your left leg in, working on your hip flexors. Then on your next exhalation, draw your right leg in, rest your left heel on top of your right knee, lift your right foot off the mat, hug your right knee in, breathe. Slowly release, rest your right foot on the mat, left leg back on the mat, spinal twist. Open your arms at the shoulder level, lift your feet off the mat, breathe in, breathe out, taking both the legs to the left, looking in the opposite direction to the right, breathe. And then you come back to the center, breathe in, breathe out to your right, looking in the opposite direction to the left. And then you slowly come back to the center, hug your knees, breathe in, breathe out, come back, sitting in a cross-legged position, Sukhasana. ending the practice with one pranayama practice, Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Use your right hand, put the right thumb on the right side of your nostril, taking your pinky finger out, breathing in through the left. Close the left, breathe out through your right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. One more, breathe in left. Breathe out right. Release your hand, rest your hands on your knees, closing your eyes for a few seconds. Take a moment to just observe everything you feel now. After this short yoga practice, especially as compared to when you started your practice today, what is the shift you feel in your body and mind? Just getting aware of everything you experience today. And just keeping this awareness going even off your yoga mat. Just feeling connected to yourself. Then on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste. We are done with our practice for today. I hope this short yoga practice helped you in releasing your fatigue and you're all set to start your day on a positive and relaxed note. Do let me know in the comments below what did you particularly like from today's practice, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you so much. Namaste.